Going beyond dual planetary slurry mixer, ONGOAL developed and launched high-efficiency slurry mixing system and twin-screw continuous slurry mixer, becoming one of the few companies in the industry mastering 3 kinds of slurry mixing equipment at the same time. The dual planetary slurry mixer comes with a twist pedal structure whose concentric distance is strictly controlled and gear gap is optimal to ensure minimal swing gap. Pedals rotate without repeating trajectory, ensuring uniform mixing without blind spot to improve slurry homogeneity. With high viscosity kneading capability, it allows a high solid content range of 55% to 90%.